This is the Bissell CrossWave. It is one of the most fantastic products. It's a mopper and a carpet washer at the same time. It's like having your own personal cleaning lady. This thing can do a floor, both carpet and the hard floors, clean them, shiny clean in 15 minutes. It's a step up from a mop and a bucket. A mop and a bucket has nothing on this advancement. This thing, I believe, every house will benefit from. This is the future version 1 of this type of product, I believe. But it's comes with a few flaws. One is that you need to supplement this with another vacuum if you have pets. It doesn't pick up here that well. And another flaw is it has the same condition that it suffers from, the same condition that mops do. It develops a moldy smell if you're too lazy to take the scrub out of it after every use. And another one is that it's really loud and it's a bit clunky to get around. I'll show you. But the vacuuming power is really powerful, and the washing is really neat and very helpful for house cleaning. It's very indispensable, this thing.